Hello, welcome to Roller Coaster Motor. My name is Tommy. Today I'll be showing you a tour of Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Dockside Inn and Suites, one of two Universal Valley resorts, the other one being Surfside Inn and Suites across the street over there. They have Tower 1, Tower 2. They're identical mirror images of each other. I say in Tower 1, February 6th through the 11th, 2022. That is Sunday through Thursday. So, all right, I will start with the lobby. And here's the lobby. Got check-in desk over there, concierge. Universal Studio Store just has a lot of merch you'll find in the parks. Plus, Endless Summer Resort specific merch. And over here is the Starbucks. Plenty of seating over there. Plenty more seating over here. And you got a full bar. Kind of around 13 taps or so. But not all of them are hooked up. Bar doesn't open until 4. Full drinks and everything. And over here is a full dining area. You got food right up here. Call this the Pier 8 Market. Check out with your food and drinks right there. Got ice cream, gelato, various beverages, beer, wine, cocktails in a glass. We got fried chicken, pizza, pasta, various burgers, chicken sandwiches. Right now they got Mardi Gras themed food, their Mardi Gras celebration. More sandwiches, salads, dressing, various dessert items and pastries, and wraps with chips. Here you get a full view of the dining area. Themed to a dockside, so it looks like docks, like you're underneath the docks. Well, here's the pool. The pool is straight ahead. This is Tower 1. But to the right is the elevators and the fitness center. Now here's the pool area. This little pathway right into here. There's the bar up ahead. And there's the pool. Got a little ping pong table, some life jackets. It's a very large pool. It's only about 3.5 feet deep. About all the way around. And it's got a ledge that goes around the majority of the outside. Got like 3 lifeguards on duty. My room is all the way up there on the top floor, the 14th floor. Here's the Oasis Beach Bar. Very large pool. And here's the fitness center. And here from the top of the 14th floor elevators, there's Fun Spot Orlando. In the distance is downtown Orlando. Get a great view of the surrounding area from up here. And here's our room tour. This is a 2-bedroom suite. I actually just paid for the most basic room. Just a 2-queen bed with a non-pool view, but they upgraded us due to celebrating the anniversary. Here you got a nice table, chairs, fridge, kitchenette. This is also being filmed on checkout day, so that's why you see a little bit of trash. And the beds aren't made. Got a nice mirror right there. Just at the window, we also got a pool view. Right down there, you can see kind of the scope of it. Or in the distance, you can see Volcano Bay. A couple couple other hotels. Just Universal Studios over there. There's Islands of Adventure with the Hogwarts Castle. You just barely see the Hulk roller coaster. Doctor Doom's Fearfall. Kind of an open design for the bathroom counter. 2 sinks. Shower curtains. And here's the other bedroom that we mostly slept in. Got a big open closet with a curtain on it. Then looking down, full view. Should get a little bit better view. Theme park's over there. And then the water park right there as well again. All in all, I love this place. I would definitely stay here again. I paid just under $100 a night. If I had paid for this room myself, it would have been another $40, $50 or so. So definitely got to appreciate the upgrade. I definitely didn't have any issues with thin walls or anything like that. Maybe it's because I was on the 14th floor, so there's no one above me or anything. Maybe it's a little bit quieter up here. I'm not quite sure, but I didn't really have any problems with that. Definitely didn't have any issues with the bed either, for that matter. I didn't love the sheets exactly, but they functioned just well enough. So, all right. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.